So here you can see that we are in a home page of the landing page of the Populi, and now we'll click to my gigs. We'll search on a search bar Atlas Type 1, and here you go. So this is the Atlas Type 1. Now we'll get into the project, read the specifications clearly, it concludes of all the things, and click on view POIs. Once you go to the view POIs, you'll get a pop-up to allow your location. Click on allow, and once you are here, you can just select the city and the area. As you can see that there are different POIs available. Click on any of the POIs which you are willing to assign yourself, then click on assign area. Now you can see that the areas has been assigned successfully. Now scrolling up, you'll get to see that the POI is under areas in progress, and now you can see that the all the intersection nodes are there, all the visibility points. You can see the timer is also there. Okay, now you can just simply click on the GPS icon and see the locations and start validating the POI. You can also check for the areas in completed where you will see the completed POIs. So now I have just assigned a POI to myself for Atlas Type 1, and as you can see, the POI name is showing as domestic mart, and the direction is also giving that the 5 meter left on the side of the road. And we have the options like visibility score, captured POI name and language. Okay, so here we will be checking all the points. So for the first drop down, we will get all the options that it is clearly visible or partial visible, or how is it. Okay, on the last, here I have just selected as a English language, as the font was written on the board in English language. Okay, so I'll be selecting English. So it's taking some time to get loaded, so do always check if you are having the correct internet connection. So I have selected English and added the correct exact name as domestic mart, where the ending is with K, not with C. Okay, and now I will be capturing the image. I'll allow the pop-up, and it will take some time to get loaded and open the camera. So we'll wait for a minute. Usually it doesn't lag, but sometimes due to network error or something maybe. So as we can see, there is a pop-up that yes, now the camera is like on. So firstly say the capture left. So we'll capture the left side of the this is the domestic card shop, and we'll capture the left side of the shop. Okay, we'll keep the phone steady and we'll keep it like this, and we'll capture first image and now the second image as a center. So we'll position our phone or the camera into the center location, and we'll capture this one. Now the right one, and this is the intersection node. Now we'll capture the right one, and we will click on complete and save in order to save the particular photograph which we have captured as of now. So we'll click on complete and save. Now it's uploading. Once it's uploaded, you will get a pop-up that the POI values are submitted successfully. And we will add a comment. If there is any kind of issues, you can add the thing, or you can just add submitted successfully, and you will click on save. So you'll get a pop-up that the POI has been submitted successfully. Okay. For the locations where we have only one visibility point, that will be as a completed, but we have two. Okay, so we'll click on the second one. We'll scroll it down. Okay, yeah, we'll scroll it down, and we'll click on the GPS icon for the second visibility point, and you can see that the B point is nearby to my location, but yeah, I need to go there. There is the same questions being asked like visibility score, comments, and the image capture option is also there. So I'll be going to that location. You can see that the A location is moving towards the B location. So A is my current location, where in the picture you can clearly see that I am moving to that location. So now I have reached to that location B, which is Khoobsurat Beauty Parlor, which is already mentioned, and now you need to wait there. Okay, so now I'll be just scroll it down and will mark the visibility score, where I can see that it's clearly visible. I'll just select it's clearly visible. So being right in front of the POI will select clearly visible. And the name match, I can see that exactly it's written the same way. So we'll put exact. In the language, the same way, the language you will select English as it's written in the board in English language. Okay. Then we have this camera pop-up will allow. We'll wait for a few seconds. And there are the instructions is also given. You can also go through it for the exact correct data. Okay, so now as you can see in my screen that I am right in front of Khoobsurat Beauty Parlor. Okay, so this is the left photo which I have taken. This is the center, and this is the right. I'll move forward in order that the trees are also there so that we can have the clear visibility to the board. I'll move forward and I'll just capture this photograph. Now we will click on complete and save. So it's uploading. So now it's uploaded successfully and the pop-up has been given. In the comment similarly we can add if there is any kind of comment. I'll add submitted as I was having no problem while taking the validating point. So I'll be adding submitted and we'll click on save. So that's how we have the complete guidance how we can do it for Atlas 1.